Up next, we have a story for you. The Delhi Development Authority, that is DDA, is expected to announce the final guidelines of its ambitious land pooling policy. This mega experiment will see land being pooled together between different owners to help free up land for fresh housing and accompanying infrastructure in Delhi. How prepared is the DDA to roll out the land pooling scheme? Oinatam Ojha finds out.
Around 80,000 acres of land to be pooled. What is more challenging is the fact that land holdings are too small and fragmented, as many as 27 people owning just 5 acres. Aware of the mammoth task at hand, the Delhi Development Authority or DDA has made the smart move of roping in private players who have the expertise and the wherewithal to get all stakeholders on board and get the policy rolling.
DDA is proactively taking certain other steps like, nominating or appointing certain agencies who will go and talk to the villagers, because about 60 to 65% land is still with the villagers or farmers. So they need to be motivated, educated, empowered to take a decision to pool their land with DDA and be the beneficiary or the stakeholders.
DDA announced the land pooling policy in September 2013 to create housing and infrastructure for the additional 48 lakh population in Delhi by 2021. The policy has two categories. One, where land owners give up 5 to 50 acres and get back 48% land from DDA. The other category is where land owners give up over 50 acres and gets back 60% of land. The ground coverage has also been increased from 33 to 40%.
डीडीए को देना पसंद नहीं करेंगे, हम लैंड पुलिंग में पसंद करेंगे देना, क्योंकि पहले डीडीए ज़मीन लेती थी, कोई चॉइस नहीं थी ज़मींदार के पास। 23 लाख मुआवजा था, फिर 53 लाख हुआ। लैंड पुलिंग में ज़मींदार को अपना मोटा फ़ायदा दिख रहा है कि भाई बिल्डर के साथ हम लैंड पुलिंग करके मोटा मुनाफा कमा सकते हैं उसमें।
The final guidelines are awaiting Urban Development Ministry's clearance. Meanwhile, Delhi government also has to decide on stamp duty exemptions on surrendered land and on land DDA will return. Denotification of villages notified earlier for consolidation and declaration of 89 villages falling under land pooling policy as urban villages are also pending government's decision.
DDA might have to get several of the acts, including the Delhi Land Reforms Act of 1954 amended and fine-tune its policy with the new Land Acquisition Act to ensure smooth functioning of its initiative. In New Delhi, Oinatam Ojha, NDTV.